Welcome back to Careers in Media Technology. Software engineers craft the desktop software, mobile apps, web services, and underlying algorithms, engines, and interfaces that power the music industry. In a product company, software engineers are the boots on the ground, bringing products to life. For a university or online coding course, you might be playing the role of a solo software engineer. In a company, however, it's all about collaboration with your fellow software engineers. You'll be building on top of their code, and they'll need to easily understand and enhance your code for years to come. Collaboration with the product team is crucial. As a recap, a software product team might have 1 to 5 software engineers. You are united together, developing a certain piece of functionality for a system or product, such as the ad serving engine for Pandora, or perhaps an entire product, such as a VST plugin. Most software development teams have adopted an agile methodology, such as Scrum. On these teams, the product manager, also called the product owner, defines a user story. A user story is a one-sentence description of a basic user need. Now, it's the role of a software engineer to understand why this user story is valuable. What is the desired end result for the customer? What are they trying to accomplish? With this understanding, how can you technically accomplish and realize this in your software? The user story does not indicate how to develop or implement the code. It doesn't specify how the code could be architected for best reusability or whether an open source software solution could be used. So developers, software engineers, have the freedom to implement solutions. If your team has a user experience or user interface designer, you'll work with them on user interviews, prototypes, and iterate on potential designs. You will channel the end user in your software designs. Some of the best software engineers that I've worked with have often added or even extended features based on what they truly believe creates an amazing experience. As a software engineer, you'll partner with other teams in your company, whether they're other feature teams working on your product, core technology teams that are shared by multiple teams within your company, research and development teams for innovation solutions, or a hardware team if you're working on an embedded product. Collaboration is key, and effective communication is essential. In this session, we're going to answer some of the following questions. How do you go from being a computer science major to a software engineer? How do you develop audio apps used by millions of users, or software that world-class musicians, Grammy award-winning recording and mixing engineers, or Academy Award-winning video editors rely upon for their living? How do dozens of engineers simultaneously collaborate on a release? We'll learn about the fundamental tools and systems that software engineers use to collaborate with their team, to develop and deploy quality code. Finally, we'll wrap up with recommendations on how new hires can differentiate themselves in this competitive field. Let's get started.